although say ya twaba, obi wo honoma who sinifie or no ya MPP ni.
Mahama onapo, Mahama onap, Mahama onapo, Manama irebi debio onapo, debio NDC onapo, Donaba onapo, Mahama onapo. Welcome to today's edition of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Celebrity News. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. As I'm saying, listen, there are two things involved here. There are two things involved. Emeka say, landlady no, wanyeni ye. Esan say, and so when people decide at the polls, even though it's painful, it's hurtful, but democracy demands that we accept the verdict of the people. We accept the verdict of the people. Under our 1992 constitution, people have the right to associate themselves to whichever political party they feel like. And this will be say open movement for change. Emrama kwano say onko join the movement for change. Obi si cheda na opea. Emrano makwai. Obi si nana do na say baomia na opea. Emrama ehun kwan say onko join nanado na say baomia. And I say NDC, the law gives that permission for the person to do that. But you see, if you live in a glass house, don't throw stones. Sometimes we must use our head. I say easy, ya dream. For the first thing they say, wow, ko high diano. Onem say if you are tenano, a MPP nifi. Esan say during the campaign period, no, by all means, you would have seen say a be a landlady no or share MPP atadie, and I say she came to you trying to sell the good news according to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to you. So you know, say your landlady clearly or your NPP ni. And to say your landlady your MPP ni utina ni fear. You must be careful how you go about the entire campaign thing. You must be careful the kind of things you say in the house. Oh, now I believe say it is not just about the jubilation. Say nipa no pay free fee no. Enti wan ban them and I say bibinti na landlady na ko locate you know. I don't believe that. Sometimes in some CCR, people come up with their version and all this and but until you have heard the full story, no, you will not be able to tell the landlady side. It could have been say, Edia during the campaign season in Nano, maybe this very tenant was doing things to put the landlady off. But the landlady kept believing say, oh, MPP is going to win. So when MPP wins, no, all this is to come to an end. So she kept quiet. And that little drop that made the whole thing overflow was the declaration of the election in favor of NDC. As your landlady will be grieving. Now who you be fear only any way? Ebia MPP ni. Ebia, it is through MPP ni say MPP enabled her business and she got money to build her house. Now who supported a different political party? Na party no win here. One call victory party na ebe den. One call victory solo kwa ebe den. Anyone. And they say ebe den. But if the landlady is listening to us, I know the landlady will listen to us because most people who are affiliated to MPP really like to watch Ghana Celebrity News channel, new news TV page. So she'll be watching. Paucho. We beg you, just allow them. You know, it's true that they made the wrong choice. It is very true. We all know say it's true. But for now, they will not accept, they will not agree. Let's give them time. Let's give them 6 months. Actually, 6 months. They will know the mistake they made. So please don't punish her. Let her be. Let her go and do the solo coup. Let them dance. John Mama, John Mama, and they be, John Ma. Let her do it. After 6 months, we all go find our smoothness level.
Hello, good morning. Me pacho bebre. All those say ya twaba. Obi wo hono ma who sinifie ono ye MPP ni who ye NDC ni. Can you imagine the NDC are winning? No, obi abe high would die. Sebio ne rent.
Order what to na.
Oh well, tuno den. Saturday oko chrome baya. Mamina lucky gate. Can you believe it? Osi o NDC ni na den to no ojin anyone fee. When you kadeng Yenyi Ghana ya tosa anyoma wewe. Obi abere ntu ufie no ya NDC ni a na aban ba power wo se wunti me ne ntina ufie nti wa lock ni. We fi kroma ba wa lock gate wo mani mpie. Wo se we what be that? Na ya call ba we police station ya call report ya omo so personnel bi eni ho a obe escort ni na aba. Why? Aden Ghana. We ekadeng so no so na ban ba power na so timi fie a wo ho kwan say wo so ka say me so be high odan to so disturb me peace na. Why? Saturday I got so mad about this thing. Why? Into me patrol catch MPP for ne say the why NDC need to fie sabi say ne nyaji amane ninji say on the sebi peace. Why? Oko kroma amumbi gate no amumbi nto na nipa ne feel free if so Ghana ni nipa cho bebre asem we see work bawe estate and I make a show no mama no asesa keys na work gate na no nti ye pa cho ka che ne say key no on share ma tenant no if say wa be hu enti ni dan
ana eda na otim so time no so say so to right
and so ye kra oriented dan no kra afi kra mbai to no kra enye say we sa de we oye mama no ye wicked pa.
This has been your favorite show, The Political Rant, with me, the voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, share, and then subscribe. Make sure that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bye-bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.